Hi, I'm Phil Hall for BusinessSuperstar.com. This is Tom Delson. And what's on today's agenda, Tom?
Trying to figure out how can we finish a project on time.
How to get a project finished on time? The easiest way is with a calendar.
Oh, cool. Great.
You may not realize it, but the easiest way to get a project done on time is just to mark it off on the calendar. What day is the project due? Get the project done at least 3 to 5 days ahead of schedule. Why would you do that? Very simple. Never leave anything to the last minute or the last second. You know what happens, Mr. Murphy's Law? It happens. But if you have a project that's supposed to be due, say, on the 30th, make a note to yourself that it should be due the 25th. If you're expecting work from an outside vendor by the 30th, ask that vendor to get the work done by the 20th. Because 9 times out of 10, the vendor's going to call you on the 19th saying, can I get an extension on that? And you could say, sure, why not? I'll give you 2 or 3 extra days. They'll think, oh, you're such a nice guy. But no, you know when the project's supposed to be done. The vendor doesn't. It's a little trick, but believe me, it works. Peace out. You like the calendar?
Love it.
It's yours.